A young man, John, hailing from a small town in the Midwest, was born into a family of modest means. Life in this humble setting was a constant struggle, with every penny earned and every morsel of food savored. Growing up, John witnessed the relentless toil of his parents, their hands toughened by labor, their spirit unyielding. These circumstances, far from disheartening him, only served to strengthen his resolve. He saw beyond the confines of his small town, his vision filled with dreams larger than life. His ambitions were fueled by the will to escape the hardships of his early life. The fire in his heart was ignited, not by the wealth he lacked, but by the determination he possessed. Despite the odds stacked against him, John was determined to rise above his circumstances. John's journey was not an easy one, filled with obstacles and setbacks that would have discouraged a lesser man. He faced mountains that seemed insurmountable, rivers that appeared uncrossable, and storms that looked unending. His path was strewn with failures, each one a harsh teacher, each one a stepping stone towards his eventual triumph. The challenges that John encountered were many. There were financial difficulties that left him on the brink, professional disappointments that tested his resolve, and personal trials that pushed him to the edge. Yet with every failure, John picked himself up, dusted off the defeat, and pressed on, his resolve unshaken, his spirit undimmed. His experiences did not go in vain, for they were the furnace that tempered his character. They taught him the value of persistence, the power of faith, and the importance of resilience. He learned that success was not a destination, but a journey marked by challenges, setbacks, and failures. But more importantly, he realized that these were not obstacles, but stepping stones on his path to success. And so, John continued his journey, undeterred by the challenges that lay in his path, unbroken by the failures he encountered. He persisted, he endured, he prevailed. Yet in the face of adversity, John remained undeterred, his spirit unbroken. Against all odds, John's perseverance bore fruit, leading him to the success he had always dreamed of. From a life clouded by hardship, he emerged victorious, amassing a wealth that was once unimaginable. He didn't just change his life, he transformed it, turning his dreams into a reality. The boy from a humble background became a man of influence, a beacon of hope. His success was not confined to his personal life. John became a pillar in his community, using his wealth to uplift those around him. He built schools, funded scholarships, and created opportunities for others to rise, just like he did. His life became a symbol of transformation, a testament to the power of perseverance. He showed us that success is not a stroke of luck, but a result of relentless determination. John's story is a testament to the power of resilience and determination, proving that no matter where you come from or what obstacles you face, success is always within reach.